How to connect Claude to Notebook LM. All right, so here's an important notice. There is currently no official direct integration between Claude and Notebook LM, but you can still connect them manually using a copy and paste workflow. So, how does this work? You first upload your sources. You could do this by either clicking on Add Source or creating a new notebook. When you click on Add Source, you could just simply find a topic you'd like to work on or something you want to talk about. Now, once you have, all you need to do is just simply copy the information that is given to you here. Once you've asked questions to the Notebook LM, once you've asked your questions, you could just simply scroll and copy it out here, copy it from Notebook LM. And then the next step would be to simply paste your results in Claude. So open up Claude and basically sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, all you need to do is just simply use the Control key and V on Windows to simply paste in what you've copied. Now, once you have, you could just go ahead and ask it to either summarize or, go into deeper analysis for this subject matter. And then you could basically create a workflow system where you move your information from Notebook LM for research and then you use Claude for refinement. And just simply click on send here, and Claude will begin working in the background. All right.